Now let's talk about incident. Incident is when something goes wrong, a deviation from a normal behavior. So normally when you are opening up a system in place, it's normally should boot up and just prompt up the username and a password in front of you. You enter it up and you're all set. But normally when it's booting up, the operating system crashes and you get blue screen of death. That is an incident. Your organization faces a ransomware attack. That is an incident, right? Okay, unexpected events, right? Now, to counter the incident, we have this thing which is called incident response lifecycle. So in this incident response lifecycle, we have 7 stages. First is the preparation stage, where you're preparing your organization for any kind of an incident, whether it's a ransomware attack, whether it's a fire into the building. That's what we have. Then detection part, that if something goes wrong, if there is a hacker present into a system, it should be detected. That falls under the detection part. Then comes the third phase, which is analysis. You're analyzing it up, that how many systems are actually being contaminated. If in your organization you have hundreds of systems and you get to know that after the analysis that okay, 10 are being compromised, 90 are still safe after the attack, then you're going to contain those 10 systems. The next stage we have is the containment part. So you're going to contain those 10 systems in place so that the virus or the malware does not spread to any other system, right? It's only get concentrated to those 10 systems. Then eradication. In the eradication, we are going to get rid of those viruses which are present into those 10 systems. And recovery means making those systems back to normal, right? Putting up all the essential data, login credentials, everything, and connecting it back to the servers, right? That's what falls under the recovery part. Then comes the last option, or the last stage, which is lessons learned. In the lessons learned, you learn about the problems which has occurred up. That's what we have into the lesson learned. That what are the mistakes that took place due to which this incident took place. Was some employee clicked on a link? Was there a weak password? Some insider threat leaked up the information? What is the reason for that? So you just dig dive into it. You'd find out what is the root cause of it in place, and try to make sure that this particular mistake does not happen up the next time, right? So this is completely again a cycle you have in place. Then again the cycle repeats itself. So this is what we have in the incident response life cycle, a best mechanism to respond to any sort of an incident in your organization. So guys, this is it. Thank you.